Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to the channel. Technology today is evolving faster than at any point in human history. We are not approaching an AI revolution. We are already inside it. Artificial intelligence is quietly reshaping industries, careers, and even how we think and decide. In this new world, learning AI is no longer a choice. It's a requirement for staying relevant. Because AI will not replace humans, but it will reveal who is willing to grow and who is not. And that's exactly what we're going to explore today. AI will not replace humans, but it will expose something uncomfortable. It will expose who is thinking and who is only repeating. It will expose who is learning and who is only consuming. And it will expose who is creating value and who was surviving only because the system was slow. This is not a video about technology. This is a video about relevance. Every major invention in history did the same thing. The printing press did not destroy knowledge. It destroyed those who controlled knowledge. Electricity did not destroy work. It destroyed inefficient work. The internet did not destroy businesses. It destroyed businesses that refused to adapt. And AI will not destroy humans. It will destroy the illusion that everyone is equally useful. Let's be precise. AI does not replace people. AI replaces patterns. Anything that can be repeatable, predictable, rule-based, and optimized can be automated. Not because humans are bad at it, but because machines are faster at repetition. If your value comes from typing what you're told, following instructions blindly, doing what has already been done millions of times, then AI is not your enemy. AI is your mirror. It shows you what part of your work was never truly human. AI cannot replace curiosity, judgment, ethical reasoning, meaning-making, empathy, vision, and responsibility. AI can answer questions, but it cannot decide what questions matter. AI can generate content, but it cannot understand the consequences. AI can simulate intelligence, but it cannot care about truth. The future does not belong to coders. It belongs to thinkers, not information workers, but interpretation workers. The real divide is not human versus machine. It is adaptive humans versus static humans. Those who use AI to amplify their thinking will become unstoppable. Those who let AI think instead of them will become irrelevant. The danger is not that AI will replace your job. The danger is that AI will replace your effort to grow, and comfort will replace your ambition. The most dangerous people in the age of AI are not those who lose their jobs. It is those who believe they don't need to change. They don't get replaced. They get left behind, quietly, politely, systematically. And one day they wake up in a world that no longer needs what they offer. So here's the real question. Will you use AI as a tool, or will you become a tool that AI replaces? The future is not artificial. It is selective, and it selects those who choose to evolve. If this made you think, share it. If this challenged you, comment. And if you want to stay relevant in the age of intelligence, follow Mind Trail Infinity.